Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's Liam from the Tiki Gecko. Today we're going to be doing a little pickup unboxing. This isn't an actual unboxing video. It's just I went and met a guy, a breeder from Ball and Chain Reptiles. That's his business, from Western New York. And I picked up a brand new breeder female for the 2017 breeding season. And I'm super excited to show you guys this female. She's beautiful and she's gonna fit in perfectly. So let's just get to it so you guys can see her. She's 38 grams of goodness, and she is really awesome to say the least. Let me get my camera. There we go. Super orange with that awesome pinstriping and reverse pinstriping. White fringe on the back legs. I'm going to be getting some really good pictures of her later. But yeah, she's going to be breeding this summer for us. I can't wait to see what she produces. Probably going to be pairing her up with Rave, my lavender to tangerine super stripe from AC Reptiles. See what we can get with throwing some lavender into this genetic pool. But hope you guys like this video, and if you want to see more unboxing videos of crested geckos or any other geckos for that matter, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.